Legacy MedSearch, an executive search firm working exclusively in emerging medical technology, with another issue of Medical Career magazine. One element of medical sales is working on the pharmaceutical side of the business. Issue 2 of Medical Career magazine gives a thorough game plan for how to become a pharmaceutical rep. But the other side of the business is the medical device or medical capital equipment sales, which differs from pharmaceutical sales in many ways. Generally speaking, there are 3 types of medical device sales classifications: implantable device, capital equipment, and specialty products, which are sometimes sold through distributors. Let's start with implantable devices, sometimes called Class 3 medical devices. Class 3 medical devices are classified by the FDA generally as implanted or inserted into the body, either permanently or provisionally. These include such diverse products as aortic heart valves, plates and screws to fix broken bones, stents, sutures, and breast implants. Sales reps for companies that make these products will typically have a call pattern that includes the surgeon or physician, but they also need to work within the hospital, cath lab, surgery, or imaging center, and deal with purchasing agents, department heads within surgery or other areas of the hospital, the ER, the ICU, and pretty much throughout the entire hospital. These are great jobs for people who can build and maintain strong relationships, those that are not adverse to clinical environments such as the OR or the cath lab, and those who don't mind carrying a pager or being on call, since often they'll be in the room with the physician during the procedure. If this is your goal, make sure your resume reflects your ability to build and grow business over a period of time. You may also include in your interview portfolio a list of letters of recommendations and sales results showing your ranking within your current organization. Another classification of medical device sales involves the sale of capital equipment. Capital equipment sales price thresholds vary, but I generally think of them as $5,000 average sales price, or ASP, as the minimum for capital equipment sales. Capital equipment is intended for long-term, repeated, multi-patient use. These are items such as laser, anesthesia machines, imaging equipment, patient monitors, and fixed operating room equipment for long-term budgeted purchases. If a job selling high-end medical equipment is in your future, you should be prepared for a very long sales process, have a good grasp of financing terms and options, and be ready to go to battle with the very best in the industry. These are high earning potential positions and highly sought after in most cases. In an interview, it is generally more accepted to be fairly aggressive, since these positions are not for the faint-hearted. Unlike the very relational implant sales positions, high-dollar capital equipment sales can have a huge sales territory, sometimes include large regions of the country, and almost always require extensive overnight travel. In capital equipment sales, while relationships are important, these purchases are often transactional, and you'll need to demonstrate your ability to negotiate and persuade during an interview. The comment I hear from hiring managers when we are placing a high-income individual is, "Get me someone who can close business." You may want to prepare a brief PowerPoint presentation if you're asked to do a group interview, since these positions nearly always require presentations to the board of directors, hospital department heads, a group of physicians, or members of a product review committee. The last broad category I want to discuss today is distributor sales. You may work for a manufacturer such as Johnson & Johnson or Medtronic, or a distributor such as Owens & Minor, Physician Sales and Services, or one of the thousands of specialty distributors. Distributors can be as niche as working for just spine companies, or as broad as selling a huge catalog and providing one-stop shopping to their customers for all their medical device products. You may have a huge catalog of products and use your knowledge and solution selling skills to help a hospital, surgery center, physician office, or other medical facility buy new or replacement equipment. This type of sale is both relational and transactional, and requires someone who has the ability to be very detail-minded as you uncover and meet your customer needs. That's a quick review of the different types of medical device sales opportunities available in the industry. There's a lot of great opportunities out there. Just find one that plays to your strengths and interest. I'm Paula Rutledge. Thanks for watching this issue of Medical Career Magazine, sponsored by Legacy MedSearch. Don't forget to check out our forum at www.medicaldeviceguru.com or our website at www.legacymedsearch for some more great tips. Thanks for joining.